Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, "And for the sake of Allah, the people are to perform pilgrimage to this house, who could find a way thither, and the one who denies, then Allah is independent of entire world." Surah Al Imran, verse 97. Hazrat Sulaiman bin Yasar reports that Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, while Hazrat Fazl radiyallahu anhu was sitting behind Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a woman belonging to Khatham tribe came. Hazrat Fazl radiyallahu anhu started looking at her and she started looking at him. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned Hazrat Fazl's face to another direction. She said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah has prescribed Hajj for his bondsman. My father has grown extremely old and cannot sit firmly on the mount. Can I perform the Hajj on his behalf?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Yes, that happened at the farewell Hajj." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1513.